Well, the human population continues to grow, and we continue to see the impacts that we have on our wild counterparts. Tanner Saul, our wildlife correspondent, tells us about one impact we may not usually think of in this week's edition of A Wilder View.
Usually we're not too fond of noises like that, and now new research is showing that those same noises can actually be dangerous to animals.
The World Health Organization previously described man-made noise as one of the most hazardous forms of pollution. Researchers at the Queen's University Belfast did the first comprehensive analysis on the effect of human noise, where they examined sounds from 31 different animal species. The researchers found man-made noise, like traffic, forced wildlife to change the way they communicate. Researchers say those signals are crucial for their survival. Many species communicate by producing audible signals. These animals can be communicating information, choosing a mate, or warning others of potential threats. So, if noise pollution reduces the ability to communicate this crucial information, it can have an impact on their survival. While noise pollution prevents some animals escaping predators, it can also constrain others in their search to find prey. Wildlife such as bats and owls rely on the sounds of their prey. Noise pollution makes it more challenging to hear and locate their food, causing them to spend more time and energy in the search. Overall, the researchers identified that noise pollution affects all of the groups of species examined, and that the different groups did not differ in their response to noise. Understanding the global effects of human-induced environmental changes such as noise is crucial because it allows directed conservation efforts. At the same time, these estimates provide a window into how species are susceptible to habitat changes due to human encroachment. In Missoula, Tanner Saul, MTN News.
Some interesting stuff there for sure. That's definitely not something that you think about when you think about how we're impacting the environment.
Right, and I think one thing during the pandemic, the animals have probably loved it because we've had less pollution in general, and probably a lot less noise pollution because we're not driving as much and so on. And so maybe we can somehow learn from all of that and translate it in the future. I don't know.
No, it's so true. Something else I would need to ask Tanner about. I saw this one thing. It doesn't have to do with noise, but turtles when they're hatched on the beach, they follow the moonlight to the ocean, but the lights from houses and cars, they go the opposite way away from the ocean. I might have that wrong, but that just seems like another thing that you're saying, Mike. Maybe we can all learn to work together on that. But with Tanner, I always learn something every single week. So Tanner, thanks so much for sharing that knowledge with us.